U.S. Commerce Secretary cites India while defending Trump's tariff powers amid Supreme Court case. The court is examining whether it was lawful for Trump to use emergency powers under the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act to impose sweeping reciprocal tariff on several countries, including India. Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. If you are new on this channel, subscribe now for such new international updates. US President Donald Trump used tariffs as diplomatic tool to buy justice and had urged India to stop buying oil from Russia to help end the Ukraine war. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has claimed. Mr. Lutnick made remarks in an interview with the Fox News on Thursday, November 6, 2025, defending Mr. Trump's use of tariff power as the Supreme Court heard argument on its legality. The court is examining whether it was lawful for Mr. Trump to use emergency powers under the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act to impose sweeping reciprocal tariffs on several countries, including India. The President is using these taxes to buy justice. He is using the tariffs to end the war in Russia and Ukraine, where he has told India to stop buying oil, Mr. Lutnick said, adding that restricting these powers would weaken Mr. Trump's ability to make the world and the US a safer place. Expressing confidence, he said that the US President will win the case because these powers protect America. Trump imposed 25% reciprocal tariff on India and an additional 25% levy for Delhi's purchases of Russian oil, bringing the total duties imposed on India to 50%. India had described the US action as unfair, unjustified, and unreasonable. In September, the Trump administration told the US Supreme Court that it imposed tariffs against India for purchasing Russian energy products to deal with a pre-existing national emergency regarding Russia's war in Ukraine, and as a crucial aspect of the president's push for peace in the country. Mr. Trump has also been claiming for the past few days that Delhi has assured him that it will significantly reduce its oil imports from Russia. However, India has been maintaining that its energy policy is guided by its own national interest, especially ensuring affordable and secure supplies for its consumers. Thank you.